Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we connect AIV with data source, with MySQL data source, with JDBC driver. So let's get started. For connecting AIV with the data source, we'll go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, we'll go to master data, and in master data, we'll go to data source. In data source, we'll click on the option create in the footer menu, and I'll give it a particular display name like training database. And connection, in connection URL, you'll see that we have JDBC, which is the driver, MySQL is the data source. In host name, you have to type your host address, like my host address I am typing here. Now in the port, you have to type the port number. My port number is 3306, and in the database name, you have to mention the name of your database. Like my database is training, so I am giving it training. You can type your own database name over here. Now here in username and password, we have to use the correct credentials to connect to the desired data source. Like my credentials are root and the password that I have set. And now I'll click on the test connection, and once you see I click on test connection, the connection will be successful. And now I'll click on save. And here you'll see that we have successfully created the data source with the display name of training database. Now we'll see how can we create a data set out of this data source. We'll just simply click it. We can click here on create data set option in the footer menu, and there is another way also of creating data set, that is by going to the hamburger menu, going to master data and clicking on data set. So you can create data set from this way also. So here I'll click on create data set in the footer menu. I'll give it a suitable name to this data set like sales data set. Source you can see is the training database. Now here you can change the source. You can switch to another source if you wish to. And here we'll expand tables, and tables you'll see that we have various options, various tables available. So you can simply drag and drop one of the tables over here, or you can also write any query like this with the help of the select statement, and you can also use different joins such as inner join, outer join to connect multiple tables. So here I am dragging and dropping this customers over here, and you'll see that we have the selected columns. I'll click on all, I'll select all of them and I'll click on submit, and you'll see that a simple query has appeared over here. Now I'll go to output columns. You'll see these are the columns, and now I'll go to preview and I'll click on submit. So this is how we can connect AIV with the data source with the JDBC driver, and we can also create the data set out of that data source that we connected the AIV with. Now data source, let me also mention that data source connectivity is just one time activity. So after that you can use the table from the database. In my next video, I'll be showing you how can we connect two tables from different data sources. Please don't forget to watch that video. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, queries, mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.